Why do people who save money for years that still end up behind financially? What if the problem isn't how much you save, but where your money actually sits? Let me ask you something. Do you feel like you're doing everything right, saving every month, but still not moving forward? You avoid risk, you keep money safe, you stay disciplined. And yet, years go by and nothing really changes. That's frustrating. Because saving feels like progress, but here's the uncomfortable truth. What if saving alone is not enough to build wealth? Most people don't realize this early. They assume consistency equals growth, but that assumption is where things quietly go wrong. Reason 1, saving protects money, but doesn't grow it. Saving keeps your money stable. But stability is not growth. If your money stays the same, but prices keep rising, are you actually moving forward? Because inflation slowly reduces what your money can buy, so even if your balance grows, your real value may not. Reason 2, investing feels risky, so people avoid it. Most people fear investing. Market ups and downs feel uncomfortable, so they choose safety instead. But ask yourself, is avoiding risk really safe, or just avoiding visible risk? Because there's also a hidden risk, not growing your money at all. Reason 3, time works differently for saving versus investing. Saving grows linearly, step by step, predictable. But investing grows differently, slow at first, then faster over time. Question: how long are you willing to wait before expecting results? Because compounding rewards patience, not urgency. Reason 4, people confuse purpose. Saving and investing are not the same job. Saving equals short-term safety, investing equals long-term growth, but most people use saving for everything. Ask yourself, are you saving for security or trying to build wealth with it? That confusion limits progress. Reason 5, delay costs more than mistakes. People wait to invest. They want the right time. But time itself is the advantage. Question: what costs more, a small mistake today or starting 5 years late? Because delay quietly reduces long-term outcomes. Now simplify this, you don't need complexity, just clarity. Step 1, separate your money. Keep savings for emergencies and short-term needs. Step 2, start small with investing. You don't need large amounts, just consistency. Step 3, think long-term. Ignore short-term noise, focus on time. Step 4, build both systems, safety plus growth, not one or the other. Step 5, start now, because time matters more than timing. So here's a real question for you. Are you mostly saving or actually investing? Comment just one word, saving or investing. And be honest, do you feel your money is growing or just sitting safely? If this made you rethink your approach, subscribe Wealth Insure Lab for simple financial clarity every week. See you in the next video.